Today, in the 21st century, our villages are astounding the nation with advancements in the field of science and technology on a day-to-day basis. Be it the advancement associated with the agricultural sector or any technology that makes our routine tasks easy. The rural India has always matched its footsteps with the urban India. It is rather motivating as well as strengthening the rural areas to go ahead with such developments. National Innovation Foundation (NIF) is one such autonomous body supported by the Science and Technology Ministry of the Government of India. One of the agendas of this autonomous body is to make India an innovative and creative society. Yet another priority of NIF is to be a helping hand as a supervisory body in affordable technologies.
NIF is not only an institution, but a complete value chain. We do scouting, documentation, and then search for its roots with a team of formal scientists to establish that some innovations have taken place. If we find any innovation, then we do validation, value addition to the product, product development, filing of patent in the name of innovator, and then finally, we ensure its reach to the market or in the society. We try to create a sustainable channel.
National Innovation Foundation was established in March 2000. NIF is the name credited to the nation's initiative to give strength to the scientific base of technical innovations and exceptional traditional understanding. The main purpose of NIF is to help India in becoming an information-based and creative society. In this context, it aims to help the nation in expanding its policy and institutional base at the grassroots level so as to carry out technical innovations. A resident of Behror, Rajasthan, Mr. Subhash Ola is a combative and a hard-working person. He is a class 10th pass, and his years of hard work have led to the development of a boiler from the innovation in the existing boiler through a kit. This invention has proved to be useful for various other businesses. The kit serves dual purpose of reduction of wood consumption as well as saving the time. Moreover, as even water is recycled, we can save the water.
During 1990-91, when I was in class 11th, I stopped regular studies and started devoting full time in this work. In 2010, I was fully dedicated to this work and took it further.
The kit invented by Mr. Ola is being used in the boilers of various industries. The kit has gained worldwide recognition just because of the efforts and continuous support from NIF.
I completely understand this is the gift of NIF, or else we could not get out from the confines of our village. It is because of NIF that we have crossed the border of the village. Awarded with Rashtrapati Award in 2015, awarded from Thailand in 2019.
NIF helps in the recognition of grassroots level innovators as well as traditional knowledge owners. It also ensures that these valuable people get award and reward and respect for their work in the field of innovation and discoveries. Along with this, NIF also makes sure that such activities and progressions coming from the grassroots level are broadcasted and promoted via commercial and non-commercial channels in an effective way. It is the byproduct of these activities that NIF, which has entered in the 20th year of its establishment, today stands as a unique organization of its kind. Also, it is doing its best in presenting the wonderful innovations associated with the fundamental talent at the grassroots level. With this, NIF today has a database of over 300,000 such innovations. To add to, every year, around thousands of such inventions and primitive knowledge is being added to the institution's database. And this is a record in itself, which reflects the significant role of NIF in the development of an innovative and creative society. Yet another name included in this series of traditional knowledge holders is of Mr. Ishwar Singh Kundu from Haryana. He prepared a multifunctional herbal formula that is used for various crops in the form of biofertilizers. The herbal formula is used to increase the efficiency of soil as well as in the form of fertilizers to control the pests.
Pesticide, insecticide, weedicide. We are familiar with these names, but we need to cultivate crops with their opposite, without poison. Whatever available herbs we have like neem, ank, datura, we are using them since many generations. So I started with these only. I studied about this in our ancient holy books as I love reading.
The formula gave a global identity to Mr. Kundu and also brought an increment in his income. He gives all the credit for his fame and acknowledgement to none other than NIF.
The credit of my journey from being a normal man to Ishwar Singh Kundu goes to NIF. There is no second thought to it. If someone does something good to you, you must appreciate it, and that is the first thing one must do. NIF is a savior for me and many people like me.
NIF also supports the innovators to get the patent under the surveillance of intellectual property rights. In this move, NIF has filed the patents for more than 1,100 outstanding innovators and traditional knowledge holders. NIF keeps motivating the innovations and inventions at the grassroots level from time to time. Not only this, NIF also organizes events at regular intervals to reward and award more and more innovators. It has equally played a key role in polishing the skills of school and college children belonging to the rural India. To encourage the innovations by school children, NIF has managed to give prize money for both district as well as state-level talents. NIF honors school children for their exceptional and excellent innovations with the Inspire Award. This is certainly a good indication of a progressive nation and society in future. In actual terms, this initiative made by NIF will prove to be a milestone in the development of a new nation. NIF undertakes activities like community workshops to exhibit the innovation by people of all ages. The purpose of this department is to examine the innovators' discoveries on the parameters of engineering and making them fit for commercial production. Adorned with the modern and updated equipment, this department of NIF is efficient enough to improve and enhance the innovation of innovators at grassroots, so much so that its industrial production gets started. It also ensures that these products can be brought to use without any doubt.
We have certain innovations which are environmental friendly, which are sustainable, as well as they have a huge economical benefits for the farmers, and we have been incubating and diffusing those innovations so that it can bring more and more commercial gain.
Today, NIF has become a synonym to innovative and creative nation. Expecting innovations and advancements in the rural areas is beyond imagination without NIF. In actual terms, NIF is the organization playing an active, meaningful and significant role in the development of self-reliant India.
The Department of Science and Technology is completing 50 glorious years in the service of the nation through science and technology. This journey of relevance and excellence has not been a solitary one. All our autonomous organizations have played a critical role in driving forth with quality and focus and speed in their respective areas. They have excelled in their pursuits. I wish all the autonomous organizations and their scientists a very successful future. The future is coming at us at faster and faster speeds. I'm sure you'll be fully prepared to meet the challenges and create new opportunities and work for an Atmanirbhar Bharat that can be proud of its S&T depth and spread.